So hello, and as always, welcome back to Learning MD. So many of you have been asking me about one of the features that's the most interesting about the Apple Watch Ultra and in general any actual Apple Watch of latest generation. So I want to show you one of the features which I think is one of the best in the current market is this one. Basically it says sleep score. Now what does this mean? Basically it analyzes your sleep meanwhile you're sleeping, and it tells you how much time you've been awake, the REM, the score, the deepness of the actual sleep. Then it tells you per day, and then it analyzes per week if you've increased, if you've decreased. I think it's pretty much great. You analyze the actual bedtime and you can go into all the details and also watch them on your actual iPhone. I think this is pretty much amazing, and I do think that this is one of the most advances, and it gives you a score every day over 100 about your actual sleep. Now I do think that this in general is great, and as you can see it tells you let's say a definition of the actual sleep score, and I do think that this is an advance as well as the monitorization of your actual heart rate, also the sleep score. Now as always, if you've got any questions, just leave it down here in the comments below, and thank you very much for watching.